forward now. Go forward. Today now shouting today. Give way, give chance. Yes. Oh yeah. No chance. Give way. Give way.
Give way for the president! Give way for the president!
Oh yeah, give it. Excellent.
One monkey.
Mr. President. Hello. All right. Let him go in first. After the screening.
Yes. After the screening, yes.
That's fine. Listen. Your hand.
I finally got to know where Rochas came from. Rochester. And you abbreviated it in such a unique way. It's amazing. Please. John Diego.
I'm not Musa, I'm secretary.
Oh, okay.
I'm Tunde Babawale.
Incoming president. That's the president, yeah.
Yes, sir. You okay there?
Okay, first I'd like to thank all Nigerians for their prayers and support. I've never seen such show of love and kindness to me. I must confess that I'm so happy by the kind of course I got and the support and prayers. And those who stood by me and my family at this very trying period of my political life. I'm very grateful to them, and I say to Nigerians, thank you very much for your support. Right now, I'm very much focused on the issue of my primaries. I've been 7 days out of the whole system, but now I'm back. I want to focus back, primarily because of my love and passion for this nation. I believe that a new Nigeria is possible, and we can do it. And some of these things you see me go through are natural challenges associated with the leadership. I see it as a comma and not a full stop in my life, because after every comma, a sentence will follow. I like to address members of the press, if you insist, sometimes in the near future concerning my ordeal so far. But for now, I came for my screening. It was quite successful. And I'm the last to be screened these late hours because I came straight from the EFCC headquarters. And I must thank Nigerians for the support given to me while I was passing through what I'm passing through. Thank you and God bless you.
Your Excellency, how will you describe your session with the panel?
Your Excellency, sir.
Panel was quite interesting. For me, I was able to explain to the panel, simple, that I'm in this whole thing because of my love and passion for this nation. And I think I understand the problem of this country and I can find a solution, and not theoretical, but practical. And I have one point of agenda, which is to create wealth for this nation. Most of us do not understand that the problem of this nation is what we think it is, or the statistics that we mention, or all the unemployment and all these things they say out. The problem of this country is simply lack of wealth creation. We must call forth the resources of our land and develop the resources of our land immediately to create sufficient wealth. It's only when this is done that the productive sector of our economy will make any meaning, and our foreign reserve will increase and Jews will be engaged, because the gap between the population and wealth is what you call insecurity. That's what you call the problem, poverty, out-of-school children. So seek ye first wealth creation in this nation. Enough, and every other thing shall be added unto you. Let's stop singing the songs of statistics of inflation rate. It will not stop as the unemployment rate. Those will keep growing in arithmetical progression if you don't address the disease, which is lack of wealth creation, which comes from vision. Unfortunately, I'm coming into this business because of my vision, not ambition. But because I don't have an ambition, but I have vision to make a new Nigeria.
What's your take on consensus?
Consensus,
Should the party.
in fact, is needed. But consensus is such that all of us must agree. That's what is meant by consensus. I'm not grudging in doing so. There must be a platform where all of us can agree and to say, listen, let's look at what other party is doing and who can really match the other party, and most importantly, who can cut across this nation. Sectional leaders now cannot help APC. Those who are champions of their tribe or religion cannot lead APC. But those who are universally acceptable, that can reach out to the north and south, a person that signifies unity is the way to go. And that's what our party should look at with our sentiments. Because already we have a challenge.
Igbo number one. Igbo number one. No, Mr. President, number one.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.